My name is Martin and I'm here today with one of my Silver Ladies, Priska. Priska loves her long grey hair but wants to add a creative pop of color that enhances her natural hair color. That's why I'm going to show you how to create a reverse ombre on Priska's natural grey hair, beautifully blending her grey hair into black colored ends. We will be using Elumen for the reverse ombre technique, followed by glazing at the basin. Let's get started. Look at this stunning hair color result on Priska. The reverse ombre technique using Elumen added black ends for a bit of extra excitement to her naturally gorgeous grey hair. The beauty of her natural hair color is not lost, and the Elumen Glazing Service we performed helped to further enhance her natural grey hair color. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Leave us a comment below of what you'd love to see next. Plus, don't miss more grey beautification videos on the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. And make sure to like, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching, see you soon.